First, the market action and what a day it's turned out to be. After 5 consecutive days of selling, we finally stalled and halted that sell-off, and especially the aggravated sell-off in the last two trading sessions. So 98.50 back on the ticker. Today's move was led by metals, oil and gas, and some of the private banking names. Better a day actually for the broader markets. Of course, you have to put it into perspective that the sell-off in the broader markets as well has been more and much higher than what you've seen for the benchmark indexes. So good 1% bounce back coming in for the broader markets, and a very smart breath as well to close the day with. You've seen some good price action in some of the realty names, metals like I mentioned. Sporadically, you saw some pharma names as well held out. And of course, after that Goldman Sachs upgrade, Avenue Supermarts was really on a tear. That was one of the star performers in today's trading session, as was the case with Godfrey Phillips as well. But take it across to Tanya to give us a blow-by-blow account of how, Tanya, after the last 5 days of carnage, we finally stalled the sell-off.
Well, the Indian markets finally ended, largely flat, almost touching actually the positive trajectory after 5 straight days of carnage on the day straight. The Nifty held near its 98.50 level, a key support for the company. Broader markets outperformed benchmarks. They closed almost 0.5% higher for each. Metals and realty led the rally on, they actually led the last minute gain, while FMCG and IT continued to drag. If you look at the metal index, it was a top sectoral gainer, snapped about 5-day losing streak, with Vedanta being its top gainer, up about 3% on a daily basis. If you look at the FMCG and IT indices, however, they continued their declines for the third straight day. HUL, Godrej Consumer, TCS and Tech Mahindra were the key drags in both of these indices. Some of the stocks that were in focus in today's trade: Avenue Supermarts, of course, after Goldman Sachs upgrade, reached its lifetime high level of almost 1,200 rupees. There was IB Ventures, which snapped 7-day losses. Godfrey Phillips saw a sharp spike intraday and in fact snaps 5-day losses. And Vedanta was the top gainer on the Nifty, snapped 3-day losing streak, while BPCL was the top Nifty loser, continued to decline for the third straight day.